We're live.
All right. Send it. I think I'm going to take an options play.
It's been sent.
I think I'm going to take an
I found
options play.
on what?
Breaking news play, CRWV. They're supplying chips for the Meta glasses. So let's see what we can get. See what happens here. See what happens here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's see what we got here. That's 30, 600. Okay. So we got our lows. Yeah, London lows here at 774. Asia lows at 754. London high is at 845. And Asia high is at 856.
Look at you getting all dialed in.
This is my first time actually saying it out loud.
All right, let's see.
I'm starving.
There's something. YM ripping. So it is the last day of the month, last trading day of the month. A few things. And last day of the quarter. So we have also two news prints today. We got news at 10 a.m. and 9:45. Here's this daily bar, though. This is really interesting. I'm wondering if they're going to run this wick or not. That's what I want to see. Are they going to run the wick? So basically, I have one main area. That's why it's kind of tough. It is like a zone. It's this. It's exactly where we are now. It's 24,800 zone. We got near-term volume point of control at like 819, right above it. And then this is all basically prior day low and support from yesterday. So it's like I really want to see how this gets digested ultimately. And I'll probably see closer to after 10 a.m. how that gets digested. But for now, just going to wait and chill. Kind of look to do the same things yesterday. Just one and done. Get out of here early. Last trading day of the month. Don't need to hang out. And just go from there. So
I love how my one trade a day is rubbing off on everybody.
Yeah, pause, but it's a good thing. I think it's good too if you're going through it a little bit, it's like it's just good just to get the one locked in and kind of cruise and move from there.
I mean, yeah, I agree with that, but it's like one of those things where I truly believe that you should treat your first like your last and your last like your first. So it's like, yeah, it shouldn't, you should still do it even when you have a buffer and you're in a healthy position.
Yep. I feel that. Feel. Ooh, we're getting this options play is optioning.
Optioning.
Yeah. See if we can break here. Break a 140. Oh, there's a push. And something. What's up, chat? Good morning, Drew, Kay, Brian, Oscar. Grand Rising. Good morning and Grand Rising.
Microsoft with the nasty sell-off this morning.
Well, last day of the month. You're probably going to get some. I feel like we'll get some selling today because of that. But I don't want to be biased. Not right away.
If it doesn't jump back up immediately, I'm going to go ahead and sell these options.
Oh, yeah, that's right. They expire today or some shit. Or no, they expire Friday.
Yeah. I don't blame you. I'm just so disappointed in myself, but I learned my lesson because I was up 100% on the 19th. On the 19th, I was up 100%.
Yep.
If I would have just sold that, I could have been in a different play by now.
Yep.
So I learned my lesson. Next time I get a nice little pop, I'm gonna go ahead and get out.
There you go. Damn, really nice close there. Cool. I just sold half of this options play. I just made fucking $1,000. Let's go. All right. It was CRWV. That was the options play. They had some breaking news that they like are supplying chips for Meta glasses or some shit. So that was a good one. And it's still going too. And I still have half of my position. Let's go. I'm up 80%. Don't we love that? Oh my God, dude. I love day trades like this. Okay. I'm going to sell 2 more. Fuck it. Man, ripstick, dude. Sell 2 more. Sell 2 more. What a crazy move. All right. Nothing really. Kind of just waiting here, chilling. Coming into the low of the zone. Again, we have data at 9:45. So we'll see how that plays out.
Okay.
Dude, check this out, bro. I gotta share this. This is crazy. This thing's just still going. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. While we're just waiting for data here, it's a good time to do it. Look at this fucking breaking news in the pre-market. We got a daily good area to work with here, basically pushing up against this resistance, breaking it right now. It's like a breakout play even. This probably has room up towards 150s, but ripping the pre-market off the news, came down into VWAP. I got long here, and then boom, kind of just sold it as we pushed through these highs. I'm down to 1 runner left, 120%. We'll take that. Absolutely, we'll take that. It's a nice one. Tis a nice one. So anyways, that was the play. Again, I don't take options plays that often, but when I see stuff like this, I'm like, oh, okay, this is like stock that's kind of hot right now too. It's relatively newer. Some chip company, and I guess they're working with AI, working with fucking these big companies, and so this thing has room just to be more explosive and keep going. I might hold this runner and just really let it do its thing, see where it goes. So cool. We'll take that. We'll take that indeed. Well, that's it from that. Let's go back to the old MNQ. See what we got. RTY is getting some love. What else is getting some love? We are breaking down prior day low. Bearish thesis is starting to come into tact here. That's for sure. That is for sure, my friends.
Get rid of these Microsoft calls. Fuck it.
Yeah. Last month. Last day of the month. Let's see. How we doing? I don't take options plays often, but when I do, I simply win, right? That's the beauty of it now is, oh shit, I don't know how else to say it, sorry guys. That's the beauty of it now is like, I just don't feel a pressure to trade options every day, obviously, because I fucking day trade futures. But when I do see something, I'm like, oh, this has like a high expected value. I'm probably going to trade this. And I look to trade it. It's kind of all it comes down to.
I see another leap I think I want to take.
Cautious with taking too many of those, bro. I know how that goes. It just, you can get clouded, especially if they all start going the wrong way. Knock on head, knock on wood. That shit can get really sticky, and then your brain is super clouded.
I don't get clouded. I'm a monk.
Okay. Divergence. Definitely divergence here. RTY ripping, YM ripping, NQ struggling. Here's a sweep of Asia lows for you.
Yep. I just saw that. Yeah.
Sweep of the old Asia lows. We need to get back above this 800 for me to like really like this long. Other than that, I don't really like it, to be honest. But we got data in 5 minutes. Wait and see what happens from that. And go from there.
Mm-hmm.
And go from there, my friend. I kind of like this a little bit. Let's see if we reclaim prior day low. Prior day low reclaim. Asia sweep and reclaim. Maybe. Maybe so. Let's see. Let's see. Nice and patient. How are we doing, chat? Just chilling. Did it top the hour? Yep. It's interesting that emotional detachment can make it so much easier to spot. Yeah, for sure. Again, just the idea of like, oh, I never trade these that often, but when I see something I really like, I'm like, oh, okay, you know what? That has a high odds of probably working.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to take it. So sure enough. Sup, Luke? What's good? KJ, Nikki Pips. It's good, bro. One is good. What is up, my friends?
What
is up? What the fuck is up? You know, sometimes I try. Okay. Just chilling like a villain.
Yeah, not much going on here.
Data in 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
So we got?
Yeah, we got we got 2 data prints today, I think.
Well, it's Jolts today at 10.
Yeah, Jolts. Yeah, I got Jolts at 10. And you got Chicago PMI. But Jolts will be the kind of the bigger one. Oh, you got a little special thank you card from Top One. Awesome. Shout out Top One, dude. They do that. It's kind of cool. You feel special. You know what? You are special, Oscar. You're a special buddy, man. No, that's awesome. It's cool that they do that. That's like, I will say Top One's customer service is like fucking A1, dude. They're so good at responding to like just inquiries and shit like that. They actually are probably like the best in the industry when it comes to customer service. I know there's some people, it doesn't mean shit, but coming from someone that worked in the restaurant industry for 15 years, I appreciate it. Okay. I respect it. So if you guys are interested in Top One futures, today is actually the last day for these 45% off for these accounts. So I'm going to put the link here in the bio for you guys, because this is a really good deal in my favorite accounts. Last day for 45% off.
45.
Code strong.
What's it? 45% off. Use code strong. The best discounts in the game.
in the
Hands down.
game. We are we're look at this. This is kind of interesting. I like this retake of prior day low here and sweep of Asia lows. I like this a bit. I do like it a bit, my friend. Getting more interesting here. Getting more interesting for sure. Look at this type of reversal. This is good. It's looking decent. I don't want to chase this entry here, though. And you got data right now. See what they do. See what they do. Back towards the 800s. Looking healthy so far. Still trying to be patient, though. Trying to be super patient here. All right, coming into my level. Coming into the level. And we got volume point of control. We get through 820s and hold above 820s. I'm long. I'll tell you that much. I will tell you that much, my friend. 15-minute. The old sweeper-rooney. One hour chart on SPY and QQ looks like a bull flag and pre-market lows held. Yep. It's decent, man. Pretty decent. Not against it. Not against it. We're coming into VWAP right here and rejecting in this level. Again, I want us to get through 820s for me to be like, okay. Take the long. The problem is I need structure to place risk against. This is the toughest part of it.
Definitely need that.
Definitely need that, my friend. Let's see what we can get. See what we can get. Just being patient. Oscar's long. I love that engulfing 4-hour bullish structure. Oh, let's look at that, man. Let's look at that.
That guy's ballsy.
4-hour bullish structure. Where is the engulfing? I don't see it, my friend. Sometimes these charts are different, though. And let me look at my other charts. I don't know why they do that. I don't see 4-hour bullish structure engulfing, Oscar. Love that. Engulfing plus 4-hour bullish structure. I'm looking for a 4-hour bullish engulfing bar. I like this sweep. Yeah, I do like this, actually. This looks pretty decent. I'm not against this here. I'm not against it. It is coming in the VWAP, though, again, and just both these levels. It's just hard for me to get long right here. It really is. Even though it looks decent, it does. Yeah, see, this looks really nice, a sweep. If this hourly bar can close and this next one can kind of get going, that's what we would want. It all depends how this closes, though. I'm just trying to be patient around this area. Trying to be patient around this area. Got the level and VWAP. Just tough. A little tough. Tanner, what is your opinion on doing SPY or QQQ or IWM 1 year or more leaps, as long as you play the probability that market has positive years than losing? I think it's a little bit harder because the market just like won't go straight up. Like you'll get you know, some of these like wild pullbacks here and there. So it's like I think leaps on the market itself are a bit more difficult unless you're at really, really extreme levels. Like that's why I bought leaps on Apple when I did, because the daily chart, market wise, was fucking way down here. So I was like, all right, I'm buying on an Apple. Yeah, if you bought leaps way down here after, you know, it depends how much we've moved, right? It's like in location. So it's like I just think the best ones are going to be this really just like, okay, this is way too oversold. It's getting due for, you know, some sort of snapback. Like this sold off 25%. It's a great area to get involved with leaps, in my opinion. Right here where we are, I don't know about that. I'm not a huge fan. Maybe on IWM. I still think IWM has room to move, but honestly, IWM has cooked me a few times. So I think it's just still better to find individual names that are really high quality companies that are beat up for like some stupid reason and kind of go with that. I think that's going to be more of a best bet personally, but you know, it's just my 2 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Engulfing on the 5 minute. Oh, Oscar, I see what you mean. Okay. We're coming to retest prior day low here. I mean, it's like if anything is going to be considered, it might be around this zone, but this looks pretty rough right now. Looks really rough. But I'm not against it. Prior day low retest. I just hate this. I don't know if I can get involved in that. I don't know if I can get involved in that. Let's see. Can this reclaim prior day low and hold it?
Lawrence, isn't this your entry model playing out? No, I haven't seen it. Personally. I'm on the 1 and 2 minute chart. I haven't seen it.
Here and here. Last day of the month could see some selling. I don't want to forget about that. I do not want to forget about that, my friends.
Mm-hmm.
And so far, it's rejecting the big areas still. This is kind of bearish to me, to be honest. You got this big support area too, which is tough to short into this. I don't like shorting into this. And where's my risk? My risk would have to be up here at 800. 40 points, actually not a bad spot for the risk, to be honest. It's not terrible.
You talking about for a long?
No, for short.
Oh, okay. I was about to say
40 points of risk here.
I don't know about the long. I'm not saying it's out.
They're gonna dance. They're gonna dance it right here, which is tough. It's just hard for me to short right here. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see. Ooh, YM actually is something I really like. Ooh, I really like YM. Hold of near-term volume point of control and VWAP. Money rotating. Just be patient on NQ. See what pans out. I think I'm just going to stick with that today.
Look at you.
I know, right? Look at me. It's this mushroom coffee giving me a
mushroom coffee working miracles.
making me see shit, dude. Leaning kind of short here, guys. Not gonna lie. Looking interesting. VIX is basically flat.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Oh, there you go. End of the month sell-off. There she goes. And that is why we wait.
Exactly why we
Now I'm
wait.
pretty damn bearish, not gonna lie.
I can't call it just yet. Not yet.
We're below everything. I can't take this low day break though. I refuse to do that. End of the month sellage.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like they're rotating. I feel like they're rotating money into YM. Honestly.
Let's see what we do here.
If we lose VWAP here, we just are definitely not.
Do something.
Sweep of all this. I like this bottom. I'm gonna try this YM long.
Order filled.
I'm trying.
Sure?
Yep. I'm sure my stop's gonna be at the low of this candle right here, which is like the opening low. It's holding too many levels, and I think they're rotating money into it. And I like the setup, honestly. I do like the setup here. I do like the setup here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'd like to go for the wick fill yesterday, up into 787. That'd be pretty nice. We can get that. Look at that put. Look at this entry. Holy shit. Really decent. You just got near-term volume point of control here. We came down. We retested VWAP. We're holding above all VWAPs. And this is pretty bullish structure, if you ask me. Stop. I'm only risking $300. $320 to make. I want seven. I do want upwards of 770s, which is around almost $900.
Nice.
That'd be a 3-to-1. That'd be pretty nice. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, ladies and gents. I really like this on YM too. Remember yesterday that I was watching this on YM, this bottom area.
Mm-hmm.
Look at how much support this held in the pre-market too. This is a disgusting amount of support.
Yeah.
I wonder if I can add to this. I don't know if I have the margin to do it.
Order filled.
I do have the margin to do it. Okay, we're doing that. And I'm risking a lot now, 840. But it's at a really good spot to risk. So I'll probably cover some safely as we kind of push up here. Maybe into 700s. Let's go. Let us go. Holding VWAP, holding VPOC. Can we get some more love? Some money rotation.
Mm-hmm.
Money rotation.
Tanner and Lawrence, do you guys also do normal long-term index fund investing in a retirement or brokerage account? If so, what does your portfolio look like? I'm a Bitcoin maxi, so I save my money in Bitcoin.
I have a lot of stuff in Bitcoin too. I Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like I just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum every week. Other than that, mainly leaps, man. I used to have like a bigger portfolio in my early days of trading, but honestly, I had to liquidate a bunch of it just to fucking survive. That's what it came down to for me in the first few years of trading. I was like, I remember my portfolio, I had like about I think 40 or 50 grand. At one point, I literally had to liquidate pretty much all of it. And I was holding like Apple, blue chips, a bunch of stuff like that, but I had to make that decision. I was like, is this going to be for the love of the game, of what I'm trying to do with my life, or, short term? And I don't think it was a bad decision. I do not regret it. I really do not regret it. So
here comes Jolts.
oh, jolt me up.
Right, and jolt me up.
Jolt me up, dude. Yeah, this is decent action. I like this setup. I need some follow through here a little bit more. Would be nice. Into 700. Put it a little bit below, actually. Let's go there. 698. Cover one. Let's see. Interesting recovery here on the Qs. That's for sure.
Let's see, what do we do here?
Yeah, see if we get through 800 here for the Qs. I really don't like how this is pulling back here. I hate this 2-minute bar, dude. Fuck me. I dislike it. An extreme dislike of this pullback. Qs through 800. Come on, buy it back up. Buy it back up this YM thing. I just love how much this bottomed yesterday over here. Hope this can hold, bro. Fuck, dude. I don't like this now. Might need to think about managing this if this breaks down too much. This is pulling back a little too hard. Into 600.
Man, this shit in Qs looks like it is pumping. But I can't get into this. Like, there's no entry for me here.
I know they're just getting really wide-bodied candles. It's hard to get involved. That's why I had a little bit of something to work with, at least in YM in the moment. I had this bar right here. But the way this is rejecting, I feel funky about this. This 5-minute bar is just like not my favorite. We got the 15-minute close above. Back into 600 here again. No, this looks pretty busty. I might bail out of this, dude. I'm going to give it a sec.
Busty.
Busty. It does look busty. It's just such an aggressive pullback, man. It's too aggressive. This looks like it wants to fucking puke. Trying to trust the levels, though. But fuck, man. This is hard to trust. Yeah, I don't like this now. This looks like shit.
Damn, bro. I need to put some more time. I should have put more time on my Microsoft calls because it's recovering now. It's only
Bro,
because I need
You
to put
can't
more time on
attach.
that shit.
You can't attach to weeklies, bro. If you made that decision yesterday,
You said what now?
you can't attach yourself to those weeklies. It's like you made that decision yesterday. This is fucked, dude. I'm gonna exit this. This is pulling back way too hard now. I don't want to risk the full 800. Fucking fuck me, dude.
NVIDIA all the time. Damn, this shit is pulling back seriously.
I know it's pulling back way too hard. Yeah, dude, this is way too aggressive of a pullback. I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm getting ready to cut it if this doesn't fucking hold like 560s here, basically. Giving it one more chance to pin VWAP one more time because of this exact potential scenario. If this can hold, this needs to hold here though. They can't resell this. Hold the line. Hold the line. VWAP and VPOC pin. Come on. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
If we take out this lower day on NQ, I'm short. I'm short bias.
Yeah,
I'm
for
not saying
sure.
we're into short, but
For sure. They bamboozled me. I got such a good entry and it was working so good, and they just pulled it back so hard in this YM. Like so hard. Again, that end of quarter thesis, the selling, but it's like at first it looked like they were rotating money into it, like really hard. And it still might hold here, giving it one last little chance before I cut it.
cut it. Cut it. You need to.
This is super cooked. Yeah, I'm pretty much done with this, guys.
You seeing how it reacts off? What's that VWAP?
Yeah, it's VWAP and you have near-term volume point of control. I mean, that was my initial thesis, which was great. And that's why it popped so hard. And I was like, oh, cool. And then it pulled back super fucking aggressive. It just now just looks like shit. It's just way too heavy. They need to hold it right here. No. Here's the 60s. 70s. No, dude. See, it's just not getting any love. I need more love. I need some love here. Give us some love. I'm out.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
No. Damn, that fucking bamboozled the shit out of me. Again, end of the month selling, dude. End of the
It's just
month
not a
fucking
joke.
selling. That was so lame, dude. That was such a good entry initially. Literally just no fucking follow through.
Show me the play. I
Dude,
didn't see it.
it was literally right here. So I had near-term volume point of control at 582, pulls back into it, and I have VWAP right here. So it was like boom, boom. I get long here, get the push through high a day, and then all of a sudden they just fucking shit on it out of nowhere. And then, then we lose VWAP, we lose VPOC, and there's nothing I can do. I had to cut it. I had to. I had no other choice. So Canal, put Canal in. Yeah, get Canal in here, dude. I'm here for the hot white men. What about Lawrence? Have you met Canal? I don't think you've met Canal. Oh, this guy's been met him at Traders for a Cause. Fucking homie is the G. He's been trading for like 30 years. He's just like, he's a real vet in the game. He's like best friends with Lucci.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah, he's funny as fuck. I love Canal. YM out in a really nice 4-hour rallying. Yeah, exactly. That's what's like. That YM was decent, dude. It was really decent. Like just this pullback absolutely came out of nowhere and just spooked it. Where you at, Lawrence? Let's see.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
There's nothing here.
Yeah. I like the short still now on Qs that we rejected VWAP again. But I don't know. This thing could just fucking dance around, bro. Do some bullshit. Do some bullshit. Oh, well, I'm 40. Well, you've been trading for as long as since you came out of the womb, Canal. You've been trading, bro. That's what happened. You came out literally with fucking. You came out with
a list of tickers.
Yeah, list of tickers. What's his middle name? S&P. Oh man. Canal, I better see you at one of the trading events this year. I'll be upset if I don't. I will be
What's
upset.
his middle name? S&P. That's funny.
Oh man.
Poor. Standard and Poor.
Standard and Poor.
Oh.
Man, they're making this real choppy. And YM might fucking hold my initial stop. But I don't care. It was too much risk with that ad. Is what it is. Is what it is, man.
Poor being the emphasis, right?
Standard and Poor. Not really a lot here going on. What are you looking at in this area, Lawrence? This zone.
I mean, I don't even know, bro. I'll see it when I see it. But like, I was looking for my entry model at this point, but I'll see it when I see it. I don't know what's going on right now.
I'll see it when I see it.
Yeah. Like, I don't know what's going on right now, bro. I'm just being an observer for right now.
That's fair.
Like, it doesn't
Observe
look like
away. Observe away. I think they're gonna bamboozle me with YM, dude. I might take one more entry.
That looks sketch. Cut it. Cut it.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Mhm.
Way too high. You need to cut it. You need to cut it.
There's not much here.
Yeah.
What's on the higher time frame? Okay, this looks bearish.
This looks bearish.
This looks a little bearish, but we'll see. Because these are long. These little wicks, they're standing tall. These candles are standing tall. Might be some buying pressure down here, though.
I know. I think this YM's gonna hold now, dude. I literally think I have my stop in the perfect spot. I just cut it early. They really did the bamboozling.
Yeah, I don't see anything here, bro. This is ass. I hate trading. It's just so ass, bro.
Oh, dude, it's the last day of the month. You can't expect a lot out of today. It just is what
Man,
it
we
is.
always make up excuses for this shit. We always make up excuses for this shit. We made up some excuses in August. We made up excuses this month. It's just I'm tired of this. Where's COVID at? Like,
It's
damn.
not excuses.
Like, where the
It's
fuck
reality
is
of trading.
COVID, bro?
It's reality of
No,
trading,
it's
bro.
excuses, bro. That's excuses, bro.
Yeah, if you're conditioned to COVID, you're fucked, dude.
Every month, there's always something.
If you're conditioned
Just
to
give me
COVID,
clean
you're
price action.
fucked. You're fucked.
Give me clean price action.
You are fucked, dude.
That's what I want. Clean price action.
Give me clean
Every
price
day.
action. That's all I want. Just give me it. Just give me clean price action.
Yeah, and I'll take it from there.
Yeah.
I'll take it from there.
All right.
That's it. Just a little clean price action.
All right.
That's it. That's here. We're just here. You know, Jolts didn't do shit. All this is a tall. This is just a tall barcode.
This is a tall barcode.
That's what I'm talking about. None but barcodes. Oh, here's a tall one. Here's a short one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't got anything, dog.
Oh man, look, I don't have nothing. I don't have anything. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it today, bro. I'm straight. I'm gonna go ahead and lock out.
All right, let's call it. It's not the day. I know you gotta get off early, anyways, and I already took my loss,
Yeah.
so I'm over it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. I'm out. Sorry, I couldn't do anything for you guys.
That's it, guys. Chop fest. It's not worth it. We got shit to do, and fucking is what it is type deal.
Just ask.
So, all right, that's it. Peace.